Hello viewers, you are welcome to LuswataDotcom, where you can learn mathematics with me, LuswataDotcom, as your teacher. And our topic today is indices. Indices, these are simply powers. For example, if I have a power x equal to b, this x is an index. That x is an index. This one is called the base. This one is the number. This one is called the number, like that. This one, the power, is an index. Now, I'll go straight away to the laws of indices. Laws of indices. Laws of indices. The first law is a power m times a power n. This one will equal to a power m plus n. 2. A power m divided by a power n. This one will equal to a power m minus n. The third law is a power m raised to the power n. This one will equal to a power m n multiplied by n. You take this power and multiply it by this and you get a power m n. 4. When I say a power negative n, this one gives us 1 over a power n. 5. If I have a power 1 over n, this one will be the nth root of a, like that. 6. When I write a power m divided by n, this one will be the nth root of a power m, like that. Those are the laws of indices. Examples. Example. Evaluate. A 2, 5, 6 power half. B 8 over 2, 27 power, let me say negative 2 over 3. C, let me say 4 power 3 raised to the power 2, the solution. Part A, 256 power half, this one will equal to the square root of 256. And here, when we take 256, in effect, when we write it, divide by 2, this one gives us 128 by 2, this one gives us 64 by 2, this one gives us 32 by 2, this one gives us 16 by 2, this one gives us 8 by 2, this one gives us 4 by 2, this one gives us 2 by 2, this one is 1. So 256 power half is equivalent to 2 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 power 8. This one power a half. And what I have here is 2 power 80 times a half. And this one gives us 2 power 4. And this one will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And this one gives us 16. That is the answer. So 256 power half is the same thing as 16. That is our answer. Part B. We have 8 out of 27 power 2 out of 3, negative. That negative now, it inverts the fraction. It becomes 27 out of 8 raised to the power negative 2 out of 3. Positive 3 out of 2. This one gives us 27 is 3 power 3 over 2 power 3. And then power 2 over 3. This one is 3 out of 2, power 3, raised to the power 2 over 3. So this one becomes 3 over 2, power 3, times 2 over 3. That cancels. And this is 3 out of 2, raised to the power 2, which is 3 out of 2, times 3 out of 2. And the answer now becomes 9 out of 4. That is the answer. C. I have 4 power 3 squared. This is 4 power 3 times 4 power 3. And this one is 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. And this one gives us 64 times 64. 64 times 64. I can say that is 16. That is 24. 25. This is 24. That is 6 times 6. That is 36. 38. That is 6, 9, 0, 4. So the answer is 4096. That is the answer. Another example. Find the values of 16 power third times 4 power third divided by 8. Here we have 16 power third times 4 power third all over 8. When we look at 16, 4 and 8 all can be written as powers of 2. So this is 2 power 4 power third multiplied by 2 power 2 power third divided by, this one is 2 power 3. So what we have here is 2 power 4 over 3 times 2 power 2 over 3 divided by 2 power 3. And this one becomes 2 power, using the first law, 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3 divided by 2 power 3. This one becomes 2 power 6 over 3 over 2 power 3. And this one will be 2 power 2 divided by 2 power 3. And this is 2 power 2 minus 3. And this one is 2 power negative 1. And that is 1 over 2. And that should be the answer, 1 over 2. Another example. We have x squared, that is simplified, x squared into x squared plus 1 raised to power negative a half minus x squared plus 1 raised to the power half divided by x squared. The solution, x squared into x squared plus 1 power negative a half minus x squared plus 1 power 1 over 2 all over x squared. This one will equal to x squared. This one divided by x squared plus 1 power half minus x squared plus 1 power 1 out of 2 the whole lot divided by x squared. This negative power means 1 over. So it becomes x squared over x squared plus 1 over half. But here it is now over 1. This one, the numerator, you draw a line. Take the LCM as x squared plus 1, raise it to the power half. This one go into this one, so it becomes x squared, then minus. This one is 1. 1 go into this. This 1 go into this. This times. So now it becomes x squared plus 1 power half. You multiply it by x squared plus 1 power half. The whole lot you divide it by x squared. X squared minus. This one becomes x squared plus 1, a half plus a half. You divide it by x squared plus 1 power half all over x squared. So this one becomes x squared minus x squared plus 1 power 1 over x squared plus 1 power half over x squared. So this one becomes x squared minus x squared minus 1 over x squared plus 1 power half divided by x squared. I said this one over 1. So what I have is negative 1 over x squared plus 1 power half times 1 over x squared. So the answer is negative 1 out of x squared plus 1 power half. In summaries, this is how we manipulate the indices. Thank you. I look forward to have you in the next lesson.